Do you see this? Y'all. Look, look, look. Just look. Look at this fine assness. This is the Goldmine and Coco treasure chest sub box, y'all, and it came today, so we had to open her up. So let me go ahead and let's show you guys what we got. We'll start here with what's in this nice little black box. Okay, it looks to be a book of some sorts. Let me get some scissors. All right, so you guys see it says keep going. It is in Boston. It's a nice soft color. Cover, and I love the color. Oh, okay. So it's a like collector's thing. So we probably gonna have to open up this box to see what we put in here. But as you see, there's 9 on each side, so that's 18 slots. So that's the first thing in this box. Now, first off, this box is beautiful. I'm probably gonna have to keep this one because this is pretty. So let's go ahead, open this up. Got a message here in the top. You are a diamond and you deserve to see yourself as the driven, extraordinary, phenomenal woman you are. Your potential is limitless. Now let Goldmine and Coco help you tap into every ounce of your greatness. Plan your luxe life. Then here we got, we got what it tells you what is in it. This is definitely new, okay? So we got a vision board kit, so that's probably what that is. 36 illustrated cards, sticker pack, wall prints, enamel pen, and a notepad. That's cute. And this is what the back looks like. So you can probably use this a part of a dashboard if you wanted to. So boom. Okay, look at the paper. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, hey, oh, hey. All right. And here's everything in the box. I will say I am glad this was kept to a minimum because that really gets on my nerves sometimes. All right, so here we have, these would be the illustrated cards, I'm assuming. So let me open this up. All right, here we go. So you got Yes, I Can. You are the CEO of your life. Hire, fire, and promote accordingly. Life without challenges is boring. Structure. Me time. Focus. Follow one course until success. Hey, I love that. See the good in all the things. My passion plus my consistency equals success. Yes, amen. With the flow, grow. Earn your sleep. I release all doubts and insecurities about myself. Is not selfish. You are a limited edition, so price accordingly. Just got the girl. I am enough. Struggle is crossed out and you got growth. Own your magic. Create peace. Be confident, healthy, and wealthy. Take time now to make your soul happy. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am financially abundant. Patient is my superpower. Find rest for your soul. Betting on myself. Just keep moving. I am now dissolving all negative, limiting beliefs. It's okay for me to have everything I want. Amen to that. I will give this world good energy. Gratitude. Make sense of the past. Bring peace for today and create vision for tomorrow. Motivation. Be your own. Do not give up. Remember why you started. I don't do drama. I do deposits. You got growth. Small steps every day. And we're back to the beginning. So those are all of the cards. So that's the first thing up here. Then here we have looks like our notepad. So you got today's schedule, affirmation, goal of the day, and then down here you got give yourself permission to grow. Here, let's open this up. All right. Okay, yep. So everything is the same. So you got that much in here. This is nice. And you got a schedule from 5 to 5, which kind of works for me now. All right. So that's the second thing here. And here we have this enamel pen. And we got the girl. She's chilling on a chair. That's super cute. Love that. And here we have the sticker pack. So as you see, she now has like the cover. So this is what the girl looks like. That's on an enamel pen. So she has a cover, and then all of your stickers are in here, which is cool. She still does show you all the stuff on the back, and there's some stuff about Goldmine Coco. So here are the stickers here. You got growth, grace, and grind, gratitude, gather, grit, goals, focus, and to do. You got the big words. You got some boxes here with some dolls. Some more dolls. Love her cut. That's pretty much how my hair was when I first cut my hair and then wore it natural. So you got enough to do some kits here. We'll do like a spread with some numbers. Some more boxes, some more numbers. More boxes, teardrop circles, and long strips here. That's cute little washi here. You got some more numbers. Some more of the dolls here again. Here we go. Take task card key. So that's cute. You could probably get that laminated and use that. If you stay where you are, you'll never go far. Cool. Get ready to level up spiritually, mentally, physically, financially is yours. Amen to that. And then we back to the beginning. So love that. So that's the next part of this box here. Then this is the last thing. So let's open this up here. So you got our girl here. This is nice. Okay, with the flow grilled. These things are super thick. I'm sitting there thinking it's like more than one there. I am worthy of everything I desire. You got structure. And yes, I can. So these here will be the wall prints. So this is the wall prints. That's super cute. All right. So honestly, considering we got that book there, I'm assuming you can probably maybe use those cards in there. So that's cute. And here we go. Here is the complete box. So this is definitely setting the tone for like New Year's, thinking about your goals and affirming things, and you know, getting it together. Definitely growth, because I think that is something I am looking towards. So I definitely love this box. She never disappoints me. Honestly, she never disappoints me. She has her theme, she runs with it, and she executes it beautifully. So if you want to see me do something here with any of these things here, definitely let me know. Make sure you leave comments down below. Let me know if you got this box, and let me know what you think if you did. If you guys have not already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I will leave my referral link down for Goldmine Coco, as well as my discount code. You guys can go ahead and use that. Again, leave me a comment. Make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.